Hey, join me on this podcast. I'm really excited about it. I have Chris Urso on the call, successful multifamily investor. He shares his story and his journey with us, and it's really fascinating because he's had a couple of major transitions. One is going from full-time job to houses, but that period took about 5 years, and he was doing like one or two houses a year, started really slow until the point where he turned it more into a business. Then he had a big aha moment, which he'll share with us as he goes along, and it's a big one for all of us. It's kind of two questions. Why do we want to do something, and what are our goals? And he talks about that, and it fundamentally shifted his focus, and he abandoned the single family house strategy, which cost him hundreds of $1,000s. Actually, it put him through a massive challenge, but he stuck with it because he was so true, and he such believed in that why, and he's going to talk about that. Now, Chris buys region-wide. He buys in Midwest and Southeast, so he has a national scope. So he shares with us his assessment of the 2014 multifamily unit as well as his outlook for 2015, which is kind of cool. He also talks about where he's buying right now. So if you're looking for an area to buy, why don't you buy where Chris is buying? And he talks about why he's buying in those areas, what he likes about them, also what he looks for in a deal with regards to returns. And he also has got a clever trick for finding deals in secondary markets where maybe there's not a lot of brokers and it doesn't seem to be a lot of deal flow. So he's got a couple of good tricks up his sleeve there. So hopefully you'll join me for the podcast. Check it out on iTunes, search for Michael Blank, or go to my website, themichaelblank.com/session 28. Themichaelblank.com/session 20. Did I say 28? 20. All right, see you on the podcast.